Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing and swatching these Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayons. So I have two shades with me, both are nude shades. So if you're interested in knowing how these shades look on me, and I'm basically NC42 skin tone, and if you're interested then just keep on watching this video, before which please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with the packaging first. So this comes in a nice cardboard packaging. It has a beautiful print right here, the signature Sugar Cosmetics print. It has the name of the lipstick written right here with the number, and the inner packaging, it comes in a crayon format, and the crayon is sharpenable. They have also given you a free sharpener that you can use to sharpen up your pencil, and the packaging is color coded as well. Overall the packaging is excellent. I love the packaging, just that you have to sharpen this up, but that's fine. Since the formula is so great, it's fine. So Sugar Cosmetics is an Indian brand. It has boatload of interesting products, a variety of products, and most of their products are really intimidating for me. I personally want to try out more and more products from them. I've been eyeing on these lipsticks for quite some time now, and I've been wanting to buy them and try them out for me, and I'm glad that I was able to purchase it finally and review it for you guys. So the first thing is that the formulation is extremely great. It feels like butter on your lips. It just glides on your lips like butter. It's so easy to apply. The pigmentation is excellent, and the way it applies is just so beautiful, and it is a matte formula. It however does not feel really matte. It does feel quite creamy, so you can say that it's creamy matte, and it does transfer. Like I did a transfer test and it does transfer, but the pigmentation is still there on the lips, and I would say that these lipsticks are quite long lasting as well. It lasts for about 6 to 7 hours on my lips, and it does not fade that easily even if you have a greasy meal or something. So it's gonna still remain on your lips, and it's gonna leave a nice tint behind on your lips, and it does not give that butthole lips, that extremely irritating butthole lips. It does not do that, nor does it feel powdery on the lips. It feels so creamy, comfortable, and matte. The price of this lipstick is rupees 7.99. It's obviously quite up there in price, but you can buy this on a discounted price. Anytime when Nykaa has a discount on Sugar or something, you can definitely purchase these lipsticks. And the quantity you get in these lipsticks is the quantity you get in here is 2.8 grams, which is a good quantity, I would say. So basically I got two nude shades. One is called Brandy Harrington number 17, and the other is called Claire Underwood, which is number 16. Now I'm gonna insert swatch pictures or swatches of these lipsticks on my lips as well as on my arm, but before that I would like to clarify that both of these are nude shades, and this would definitely suit, both of these shades would definitely suit much deeper skin tone as well. If you're like lighter than me, these lipsticks are going to look a little bit darker on you, and if you're darker than me, these lipsticks are going to look a perfect nude color on you. So it's going to look absolutely amazing on dark skin tone, and the shade range of these lipsticks are amazing. They have over 20 plus shades, and you have like pinks, reds, and a lot of nude shades to pick up from. And also I would like to point out a similarity between these lipsticks and the Nykaa Mattelicious lipsticks. The shade Brandy Harrington, it resembles a lot like the Nykaa Jade Rose in the Mattelicious lipstick. So this is Sugar's Brandy Harrington. So this is Sugar's Brandy Harrington. I have Nykaa's Jade Rose, which is called Nykaa's Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Jade Rose. It looks quite similar. So if you do have Nykaa's Jade Rose, you can skip on this shade. If not, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. The formula is also quite similar. So that's it for my review. Let's move on to the swatches. hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these swatches and found it useful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because I make a lot of lipstick videos, and I am of deep skin tone, dusky, medium dusky, deep skin tone. And if you're interested, then you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because you're gonna be getting a lot of lipstick videos, lipstick recommendations from my channel. And you can also check out the playlist that I have. I think it's called as All About Lipsticks, where I have swatched so many lipstick shades on my skin tone. So if you're interested, then do watch that playlist. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata.